Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is a visually stunning tropical fruit that has gained popularity worldwide in recent years due to its vibrant appearance and potential health benefits. However, like any food, dragon fruit comes with both advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we will explore the various benefits and potential drawbacks of consuming dragon fruit. Benefits of dragon fruit. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Dragon fruit is packed with essential nutrients. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is vital for a strong immune system, healthy skin, and wound healing. It is also contains vitamin B, calcium, phosphorus, and fiber, making it a nutritious addition to your diet. Number 2. Antioxidant properties. The vibrant colors of dragon fruit indicate its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Number 3. Low in calories. Dragon fruit is relatively low in calories, making it a good option for those looking to manage their weight. It can be a satisfying and guilt-free snack. Number 4. Promotes digestive health. The high fiber content in dragon fruit can aid in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, it can help support a healthy gut microbiome. Number 5. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and polyphenols in dragon fruit may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. Number 6. Hydrating. Dragon fruit has a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated, especially in hot and humid climates. Disadvantages of dragon fruit. Number 1. High sugar content. While dragon fruit is low in calories, it is relatively high in natural sugar. Consuming large quantities of dragon fruit can lead to a sudden spike in blood sugar levels, making it less suitable for individuals with diabetes or those trying to control their sugar intake. Number 2. Limited protein content. Dragon fruit is not a significant source of protein. If you are looking to increase your protein intake, you may need to supplement your diet with other protein-rich foods. Number 3. Expensive. Dragon fruit can be quite expensive, especially in regions where it is not grown locally. This can make it a less practical choice for those on a tight budget. Number 4. Taste variability. The flavor of dragon fruit can vary depending on the variety and ripeness. Some people find it bland or mildly sweet, while others enjoy a sweeter, more flavorful taste. The variability in taste can be a disadvantage for those who prefer a consistent flavor. Number 5. Allergies and sensitivities. Like any fruit, dragon fruit can potentially cause allergies or sensitivities in some individuals. Symptoms may include itching, hives, or digestive discomfort. If you have a history of fruit allergies, exercise caution when trying dragon fruit for the first time. Conclusion. Dragon fruit is a unique and nutritious tropical fruit that offers several health benefits. Its rich nutrient profile and antioxidant content can contribute to a well-balanced diet. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential drawbacks, such as its high sugar content and cost. As with any food, moderation and balance are key. Including dragon fruit as part of a diverse and healthy diet can be a delightful way to enjoy its benefits while minimizing its disadvantages.